The scanning electron microscope in the research and development lab of University Department of Geology. Since this is a short valedictory program, we would like to start the program with your permission, Dr. Vijay Singh sir. And I would like to call on a research scholar to present a token of welcome to our chief guest, Honorable Professor Dr. M.P. Sinha, HOD of Zoology Department, Ranchi University. We would also like to give a token of welcome to our guest of honor. Please, Suresh sir. To our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Kulum Kadir, Professor of Botany, Ranchi University. Now, I would like to call upon Mr. Amit sir, please. We would also like to welcome our technical expert, Mr. Arindam Chakrabarti, Director of Customer Support. Welcome, sir. Now I would like to call upon Mr. We would also like to welcome Dr. Rohit Srivastava, Department of Zoology, Ranchi University. Welcome, sir. Now I would like to call on stage Mr. Suresh sir.
Very good afternoon to one and all gathered here. On this valedictory function, I would like to welcome all the dignitaries and participants on behalf of University Department of Geology, Ranchi University, Ranchi. It is our pleasure to welcome our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor M.P. Sinha sir, Head of the Department, Geology, Ranchi University, Ranchi. I welcome you, sir. I would also like to welcome our guest of honor, Professor Kunal Kundil ma'am, Professor of Botany, Ranchi University, Ranchi. I welcome you, ma'am. I would like to welcome our technical expert for this workshop program, Mr. Arindam Chakrabarti and Mr. Santanu Saha. I welcome both of you from Science Analytical Instrument Private Limited. I welcome both of you. Last but not the least, I sincerely welcome all the participants from our department as well as other departments also. Once again, I welcome each and everyone to this valedictory function on behalf of University Department of Geology, Ranchi University, Ranchi. Welcome. Thank you.
Now I would like to call on stage Dr. Samir Gunjan Lakhra, Assistant Professor of Department of Botany, Ranchi University, to share his experience during and after this workshop. Sir, please.
Respected dignitaries present over the dais, all the faculty members and participants. Good afternoon to all. I am Dr. Samir Gunjan Lakhra, Assistant Professor, University Department of Botany, Ranchi University, Ranchi. First of all, I would like to thank Head of the Department of Geology, Professor Dr. Vijay Singh sir, for providing us the opportunity to attend this workshop on the very first lot. So very thank you for that. And I am extremely thankful to Mr. Arindam Chakravarti sir for providing us the basic information regarding the scanning electron microscope. And we will definitely implement all the information you have incorporated in us, and we will definitely share the views and information regarding this to our juniors and students also. Thank you.
यूज द इक्विपमेंट एज वेल
Yes sir, definitely we will use the equipment.
ना कि आपको यूज भी करना है
Yes sir, research program too will use this equipment.
I would like to call upon Ms. Rohini Kumari, Department of Chemistry. She is a research scholar, to share her experience during and after this workshop.
Good afternoon, everyone, and first of all, our dignitaries and all the respected guests and participants. So I would like to first thank HOD sir for giving us the opportunity to participate, and on a very short notice, he just arranged the things that are going to be quite beneficial in our incoming future, and especially when it comes to talk about the feedback and the experience we have got here. The first thing that is, of course, it is a very good thing, but as we know that was basically organized or focused for the geological science, and this is the field of geology. But we are expecting something more, especially for chemistry. We have find, or as we have talked to our technical experts, he said that there are few things that are lacking for the field of chemistry. So next time I am expecting much more for especially the sample analysis and for the research enhancement program. Thank you, sir. Thank you, everyone.
I would like to call upon stage Ms. Shweta Nag, Dr. Shweta Nag, Department of Botany.
Thank you so much. I'd like to welcome all the dignitaries present over here. And I'm very much thankful to the head of Department of Geology, Dr. Vijay Singh sir, who has given such a nice opportunity to handle such an instrument, SCM, and which is very beneficial for our department also and for the research work. It's a very nice experience, although it is a very short term, but we learn more. And thanks to the technician sir, Dr. Arindam sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Now we request our participants, there is a participation certificate. Nikita Bhagat.
because you were the private first. Students are
Sameer Gunjan Lakda.
गई है जो आपका स्नैक मिलना चाहिए।
Dr. Vinod Kumar Mahato,
और इधर
मास्क लगाने से पहचान नहीं पाते।
Mr.
नाम
Dr. Arindam Chakravarti sir.
उनके हाथ में कौन सा स्कूटी
विक्रम यादव।
Vikram Yadav.
विक्रम यादव
आ जाओ आ जाओ।
सबसे स्मार्ट।
अरे इसका फोटो जरूर लेना।
Sapna Khaka,
हो गया।
बोलो नेक्स्ट।
Ritika Tudu,
ताई है। हाँ आ रही। सामने से आओ। सब लोग मिल के तुम ठीक है सर आप एक होल्ड कर दीजिए। और दीदी
Nisha Panna,
नाइट रेंज की स्टूडेंट है आपको
Mr. Suresh Kumar Samar,
आइए सर
Ms. Priyanka Kumari,
जैसे है वैसे अरे मैडम केमिस्ट्री डिपार्टमेंट बता दो
Department of Chemistry. Ms. Rohini Kumari, Department of Chemistry. Mr. Amit Kumar, Department of Geology. Dr. Shweta Nag, Department of Botany. Miss
थैंक यू वेल डन
Miss Jyoti Verma,
फोटो हो रहा है। बता लो मास्क थोड़ा सा। हाँ, चलो।
श्यामा प्रसाद मुखर्जी यूनिवर्सिटी अरे
Miss Rosh Anshumala Topo, Department of Geology.
चीफ गेस्ट
आ जाओ।
हो गया नहीं अभी और आए नहीं जो नहीं आया वो डिपार्टमेंट में रहेगा
Now I would like to call upon Mr. Arindam Chakravarti sir to share his views.
So it's a really nice experience for me for these 3 days workshop on training session, and it was for my company also because we installed this system long back. After a long time, we are in a position to see that the system is working again. So though it requires some facilities requirements, and we already discussed, hopefully like on the power supply for the battery, for the health of the system, AC, I think it's already arranged, room already clean, so it's going on in a smooth way. If we are here for any support, we'll come in. So, no problem. And thanks for this opportunity.
Thank you, sir. Now I would like to call upon our guest of honor, Professor Dr. Kunal Tandil, Professor of Botany Department, Ranchi University.
Respected Head of the Department of Geology, Dr. Vijay Singh, respected Head of the Zoology Department, Professor NPC Arindam, sir, and respected teachers, research scholars, and students. My good evening to all of you, and it is a matter of great pleasure for me that I have got an opportunity to say something for this workshop. I think all the participants have learned a lot from this workshop, and it will be beneficial for them for the future research work and also for teaching. I congratulate to Mr. Arindam Chakravarti for giving his time, valuable time, to these students and teachers, because the equipment was almost dead, and he started this, and I hope this work will be continued and all the students and teachers will be benefited from this equipment. Thank you once more to all of you.
Now I would like to ask our Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. MP Sinha, Head of Department Zoology, Ranchi University, to share her views.
Well, good afternoon to all of you. My colleague on this side of the stage, and some of the colleague and student on this side of the stage. All are equally welcome on this occasion. This is really a good thing. Say, one thing is there to procure an instrument and get it demonstrated. This is one. And to activate one instrument which was kept idle for years and then bring it in use, it is totally different. Two things are there. If you want to do something possible, what you need is your strength. If you have any strength in you, then what is possible, that can be done by you. But what is not possible, what is impossible, if you want to do it, what is required? That is not your strength. That requires your faith. That requires your confidence. If you are confident that okay, this ideal instrument can be made beneficial, which is your self-confidence and strength, you work for this and you got the success. Yes, same is there. A lot of things are required, as she said, from chemistry viewpoint, things are required. Yeah. Similarly, for biological samples, a lot of things are required. If those things are met with, at least if you are going to process the sample with acetone in your lab, you are bringing here, but load plating should be done here itself to get a better contrast and get the actual result of cell.
Especially for
Biological samples. So things are required, but we are going to have something in place of nothing. 3 days back, the instrument was there, but we were not having it. It was there, but we were not having. See the irony. Now it is there and we are having it. It is functional. To some extent it is functional. And nowadays what is there? It is required not for the laboratory work but for research work. And what is research? Research is not innovation. Research is not discovery. No researcher has made any discovery till date. Research is simply a step ahead of understanding. What has been done up to this mark, you are going to take forward. Right? So for research, now the tools and techniques are the vehicle on which you can reach the destination. So one tool, I am grateful and thankful to Dr. Vijay Singh that he ventured out and made it possible that non-functional instrument has been made functional. Similarly, I was talking in botany department, FTIR is there. That should be made functional, then you will get benefit out of that. And chemistry. And in physics, long back in 2014 when I was here, I got the first sample analyzed of my research scholar of nanoparticle through XRD. XRD is there. I don't think in which state it is, whether it is functional or not. But things are there. And now what is required, I tell you, that the supervisors are responsible. Now, Professor Singh will see that whatever synopsis is being presented, he should see that there should be use of this particular cell. Then cell will be kept on working. So whatever instruments are there, they should be utilized. When I was in Vinoba University, Hazaribagh, I purchased a double beam atomic absorption spectroscope, HPLC, and whatnot, a lot of things. And I made it compulsory that I will not allow any synopsis passed by the research council where these instruments are not being used. They are modern and latest instruments. Let the student do it and get a very good result, very good paper can be published with the help of. Right? So this is the thing. We have to change our inertia. Whatever things are there, they should be made functional. Only then we can keep the ball rolling in the field of research. This is why what I wish. And I don't want to tell because I am going to superannuate from this university. I was a student of this university. I was teacher of this university. And I am going to superannuate. So for me, this university is a great thing. Whatever I am today, due to two things, due to this university and due to my subject. I am known because I was a student of geology. He will be known and he is known only because he was a student of geology. Had it not been so, then there was no question of any identity. So that is there, that things are there, but sometimes it is wise to become fool, and sometimes it is fool to become wise. Right? And this is why we always converse on many issues. In spite of the fact that we are seeing that our university is not achieving the height which it should have achieved, and we keep mum on this principle that it is wise to become fool and sometimes it is fool to become wise. So it is up to you. When we were a student, I remember my days. At that time, Ranchi University was known throughout the country. I remember I taught one student. I had been in JNU for my MPhil. My selection was made and I had started classes there. So, A professor there came in the evening and asked me from which university you are. I said from Ranchi University. He said that's a very good university in India. And JNU is getting quite a good number of students from your university. And he inquired about 3 professors of this university. The geography professor, Professor Inayat Ahmad, Professor L.P. Vidyarthi, and the physics professor, Professor Gupta. This the university was having, which were known throughout the country by virtue of their ability. And today, I am sorry to say that my colleagues are not even known in the nearby university of their state. Now it is up to you. Now it is up to you to regain the lost glory of the university. That is the only one thing, regaining the lost glory, and that will give you one identity. It is not for the university, it is for you. If the university gets its lost glory, you will be identified and you will be glorified, you will be the person whom you are. Because this is the time, what I can say, we are going to, after a few years, we will also retire. After next month, I will be retiring. But we are happy and satisfied. What we have done during our tenure as a research scholar, as a student, as research scholar, as teacher, as university administrator, we have contributed something to the organization, and there deep satisfaction. When I remember in 2014, we shifted from that building to this building. No. Oh. ये जब आ गया, he was the only person having some project, UGC project, only person, and busy with his work, day and night, none other. Then one project was also to Bhattacharya, UGC project. And I was having few mega projects of multi-lakhs. Then my direction was different. I left this university, went to Hazaribagh, then went to Dholka, and being university administrator, you cannot actually devote your time for research and all that. But even then I am thankful to my research scholars that they published very good research paper in my absence with good impact factor. I have published paper up to 15 impact factor. And my scholars, one is going to be, I tell you, this is why I am telling you, you can do it. One research scholar whose Viva Voce is due has published 30 research papers. About 300 citation index he is having, and he is having 0.5 to 2.5 impact factor of many papers. You can do it, and if you can get help like the instrument, same and similar. I think atomic absorption is also there in your, I don't know function, it is functional.
Last 10 years.
Right. But there are things, say in your department, same is there, in chemistry, I am going to ask Delta whether he will manage the show and get the FTIR function.
Give it to us as a package.
Yeah, so he can do it. So if instruments are there, it will be helpful for not only the researchers but for the teachers in publishing good papers. For impact factor journal, without the help of sophisticated instrument, you cannot publish it. Right? So this is Means when a teacher, you know, there is a minus point with a teacher. When a teacher stands, the biological clock is set for 45 minutes. Minimum he will speak for 45 minutes. Right? But I am not going to teach you anything. But what I am telling, that it is up to you now. Our inning is over. And we are there to help you. Whenever you need our help, we will help you. Our connection will help you. If you want to get help of any laboratory in country, you come to me, I will give you reference, you go there and you will get there. I have been to more than 150 universities of India for different purposes. Still, when I am going to retire, I am more than 10 member, Executive Council member and Academic Council member of Central University. And that connection will help you. If any facility is available there, you go there, they will help you get the marvelous work done, and if you are doing it, you will get it published, and that will honor you. That will honor you. Right? So thank you very much. I am thankful to Professor Vijay Singh for calling me here. And when I came over here, I saw most of the known faces who are interacting with me daily. They are there and they got some information and participated in this, and this thing should continue in every department. What Vijay did here, similar things should be started, because for research new techniques are the ongoing process. Yeah, continuous process. New techniques. If you don't know any technique, how can you do any research? When we evaluate foreign theses sent by foreign universities, the direction is not to go for the result. They simply ask, don't send the result on the basis of what is the result. Be particular about the methodology, because if methodology is not correct, whatever he has written, that is bogus. The first thing is the methodology, methods adopted, and tools and techniques adopted. So you should be grateful to Professor Vijay Singh that he managed to expose you with at least one sophisticated instrument and technique, and Mr. Chakravarti is there who helped you in this direction. And I am really happy that he said that in future even if required he will be coming. So that is a great thing for the department or for the university. So thank you all very much, and especially Dr. Vijay Singh for having me invited here. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words, and thank you, ma'am, for your kind words too. We would like to conclude our program with a vote of thanks from Mr.
So very good evening to all of you. Especially I am thankful to Professor M.P. Sinha sir, who is amongst us this evening, the chief guest of this very function, short very function, purely academic function, and Dr. Kunal Gandhi ma'am as a guest of honor of this function, and rest participants and the technical expert who will give us the last 2 weeks. So this is a great occasion to recall the scientific temper which should be there in the universities. For last 1 decade, we are experiencing the decline. We fail to utilize our laboratory facilities. We go elsewhere, shortcut method, pay something, and get our things done. This is shortcut method. You have to learn it yourself. if I say that I have made 200 slides myself, it will be not acceptable to the students of this age. They go and pay the money, get the slides done, see the results, and write only results that they have done. This is not the way. Everything should be done physically, personal. That spirit is missing. That spirit is missing, and I hope that people will realize the necessity of basics which a teacher, research scholar, and the student is ought to have. For today's valedictory function, I had the privilege of calling two persons from the department, Faculty of Science, who are fortunately the highest qualified persons. Both of them are DSc, a rare achievement of science teachers. So, what more can motivate us that two persons of this university who are DSc of this university only are attending this function and blessing it, and realizing the necessity of research, realizing the necessity of continuance of research work in future. They have lots of publications, they have lots of experiences, they have lots of administrative experiences as well. Professor N.P. Sinha held the post of Pro-Vice Chancellor at Lohara University. Then Vice Chancellor, Honorable Vice Chancellor, Sidhu Kanu Murmu University, Dumka, completed 6 years of administration. Madam Punum Kandir has been the Pro-Vice Chancellor of Lohara University. So, apart from academician, they were good administrators also. So, both combinations are there, and we are having two persons of such rare combinations in our company. So, I think this occasion is meaningful. Occasion has been very successful. There are lots of limitations on my students. Please don't feel that we are lacking in something. We are lacking in many things, but we are having many things. If we realize the positivity, with positive note we can develop so many things, and that so many things which you will develop will be counted forever. So capacity building of the students, research scholars and the teachers, we have forgotten. We have forgotten during the last decade or 2 decades. Everybody is doing himself or herself without having any support of the institution. It is required. And for that, Professor Sinha made a request to you that research projects are important. Individual research projects are important, because nobody is going to give you money. Money will come from some institutions, either CSIR or TST or UGC, and there are DBT, many organizations are there to fund you. Ministry of Earth Science for our purpose, but we are not qualifying into that. We are taking shortcut route to prove ourselves that we are good teachers, we are good research scholars, everything good at our place only. So recognition of a teacher or a researcher is much more important than your volume of thesis or volume of collection of papers. Who recognizes you? Where are you recognized? Your papers tell about you. Your work tells about you. Your company, your association with various bodies tell about you. So that recognition for a teaching person or teacher's life is very important. So I think more I should not say. I am very much thankful to Mr. Arindam Chakravarti sir, who was a wonderful teacher, who proved himself as a very great teacher, having much patience, answered all questions with no break, and we could not provide him any logistic support. So it is their gesture that they are cooperating with the institution, and we are not paying them anything. They had supplied the equipment in 2016. They should have said, no, warranty is over. why should we come? To all order for a new equipment, then we will come. No, not like that. So this spirit is very important. And I am thankful to the director of Science and Electrical, who was a student of IIT Chennai, and formed his own company, and in that company he is the director of customer support. So academician as a director of company, since he was an academician, he liked our request, he responded to our request, and he performed that without any cost to the university. So this is wonderful contribution from them, and we all acknowledge it. And in the future, we will be very happy to implement the instrumentational operationalization, whichever institutions are applications are there in the department. We will be very happy that all the instruments must be kept working for the students, research scholars. Actually, there is a level fixation. Every instrument cannot be used by everyone. So some classification is there. Basic instruments are to be used by the students. High level instruments are to be used by research scholars and teachers and others also. So there should be some mechanism of operation. Thank God our instrument is working. We have got it analyzed, many samples analyzed, and whatsoever facilities are lacking, we assure you that we will be trying for that. Gold coater and other attachments whichever are necessary for other departments of science, our fraternity. So we will be acquiring that. We will be requesting to the respective heads cooperate with us. If attachments are there, all the departments can take use of this. So it is neither geology department nor zoology department, barriers are not there. And particularly here we are sitting with botany people, chemistry people. There are lots of intermingling of subject research areas. You can work in paleobotany, we can work in geochemistry. So it must be interdisciplinary, and this flavor is here. Botany person is here, chemistry person is here, zoology person is here. So that is the essence of science. Science must include everything, and we should go ahead with this. And I congratulate each and all participants for their patience, for their nice interaction with the expert, and I hope to some extent we are successful in organizing this 3-day workshop. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for your kind words. We would like to conclude our program with a vote of thanks from Mr. Amit Kumar, Assistant Professor, University Department of Geology.
Good afternoon to everyone. I am Amit Kumar on the behalf of University Department of Geology. Would like to thank Professor M.P. Sinha, HOD Zoology Department, Ranchi University, who has given his valuable time from his busy schedule. Your valuable words are really very inspiring and motivating. It motivates all of the people here to move ahead in our life and achieve greater success. Thank you, sir. Our sincere thanks to guest of honor, Professor Punul Kandi, ma'am, Botany, Ranchi University, for her knowledge and guidance. We are grateful to Mr. Arindam Chakravarti, Director of Customer Support, and Mr. Santanu Saha, Director, Science and Analytical Instrument Private Limited, who has nicely demonstrated the principle and function of highly sophisticated analytical instrument scanning electron microscope. Each and every aspect is beautifully explained, and their patience and dedication are greatly acknowledged. We are blessed to have respected Professor Vijay Singh, Head of the Department, University Department of Geology, Ranchi University, whose great vision has always played an important role in shaping the department. Under his guidance, he has successfully arranged and conducted this 3-day lab workshop on scanning electron microscope. I am also thankful to my beloved colleagues and dear research scholar for their precious efforts and contribution, who plays a crucial, important role in successfully conduction of this workshop. And not the least, at last, I would like to thank our non-teaching staff for their work throughout the event. Thank you.
Thank you everyone present here for your valuable time. Here we conclude our program. Thank you.
Thank you.